Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. It is a beautiful 6 bedroom, 4 bathroom home for sale in the gated community of New Harbour Village 1, St. Catherine. This spacious home occupies 3,519 square feet of living space. The home features a spectacular primary bedroom with a hotel-like ensuite bathroom, high ceilings, two verandas, and a balcony, a spacious kitchen, an additional den and study area, laundry room, automatic gate, water heater, security system, and a double garage. This house is easily accessed after exiting the highway without having to pass through the hustle and bustle of the town. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $35.5 million or US $230.6 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.